Hello there and welcome to another tutorial, and in this video I will be going over how to send photos in TikTok messages. Now if that sounds about right, let's head right in. So first of all, you do know it's kind of impossible to send pictures on TikTok via messages, but there's a workaround, and that is exactly what I will be going over in this video. Alright, so the first thing you'd want to do is to of course upload a video or some kind of picture or something, whatever it is you're planning on sending to a friend, as a picture. You can upload it, you should upload it, just follow the steps on the screen. So let's just upload this right now. Alright, so after uploading the picture, we'll click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. And over here, we'll just select a contact we want to send this picture to. Alright, and once you've decided on who you're planning on sending it to, just click on send right there. And we'll go straight to our inbox to confirm that it has been sent. And as you can see right there, the picture has been sent as a message. And of course, that is exactly how to send photos in TikTok in 2024. If you found this tutorial helpful, do well to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in another video.